I am Jake Locksmith Service, Jacksonville, Florida. Today is November 4th, 2018. November 4th, 2018. Daylight saving time. Had to set that time back, you know. It's about 5 a.m. right now in Jacksonville, Florida. I'm making this video. Please subscribe to all my videos. Jake Locksmith Service, Jacksonville, Florida. Google it, however you look for it on YouTube. Subscribe to them, you know, like them, make comments, you know, view them. I'm just trying to give people something to do with their time, you know. I'm trying to make some good fun videos. Can you believe that foot? See that foot right there? That foot right there goes inside of those shoes right there. And them tennis and all that. That foot. These foots. Crazy leg foots. Crazy leg. 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 There it goes in there. My stun gun. Look at that. A stun gun. Stun gun. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Here my stuff I like. I can't stop showing my handcuffs. I like my handcuffs. You know, we all can find something to do with them, play with them, have fun. I've been a Mason since 1999. Yes. Firefighter. That's it in New Orleans, you know. Been in Jacksonville since 2015. I'll be putting them shades on soon so I can step out. Look at some of the stuff I like. I like eating that kind of stuff. It's good for me. It's good for everybody who choose to eat it. That's my little peppermint stuff I like right there. I like them there too. Yes, indeed, I like them beans. I like that. I know y'all like that too. I like all that kind of stuff. And that's my sugar there, so I gotta have that with my coffee. I like my crackers. Yes, indeed, I like my crackers. They good for you. Let me turn that around. Yeah, they good for you. Now tell me they not good for you. You know, everybody have their own choices. I'm just showing you my choices. I love them. The kids ain't the only one like them. Some of us grown people like them too. Yes, indeed. A little fire truck there. I gotta have that. That's the church all belongs to right there, regular Baptist church. in New Orleans. I joined that church December 11, 2008. That's on my refrigerator. Yeah, I got that stuff hanging on my refrigerator. Y'all see that's a refrigerator. I'm about to tear that cough up in a minute. Yeah, I'm about to get on that cough. Got that Louisiana hot sauce here in Jacksonville, Florida. You know, I'm a New Orleans soul. You heard me? So, hey, that's what it is. You know, look at that. That's some stuff. I like all that kind of stuff. And tomorrow is November the 5th, 2018. Tomorrow, Monday, they gotta come check this thing here. You know, being a firefighter, I know about all that kind of stuff. I got that chicken right there down in that water. I'm about to knock. Look at that. I'm getting ready to do some thing with that. You know what I'm saying? When I go to cooking, boy, the whole neighborhood be like, "Ooh, he cooking some good stuff. That man from New Orleans." Then I clean up. Get cleaned up with that. Come on, y'all follow me. I'm gonna start exercising in a minute. Start getting my workout on in a minute. I start getting everything on. These here go around your wrist, all your ankle. You can see I had that stuff way back in 2009. Put it around your ankle, all your wrists, and one. This is where I get ready though. I get ready before I go. But it's exercising inside the house. Then I go on outside and walk and run and do everything. This stuff I hang up on the wall. November the 4th, 2018, Sunday morning. 10 minutes till 6 a.m. now. Daylight saving time had to go back 1 hour. Jake Locksmith Services, Jacksonville, Florida. Subscribe to all my videos. Like them, view them, comment. I'm going to keep them coming. I've been had this since 2001.
Be happy. Don't worry. Be happy now. Don't worry. Be happy. Don't worry. Be happy.
Y'all do what the fish say. The fish say, don't worry, be happy. You heard me? Don't worry, be happy. We all have good and bad days. I be sick sometimes. I ain't feeling too good right now, but I still clown because I got the Lord of Jesus Christ in my heart, you heard me?